Hi everyone, today's makeup look is inspired by Urvashi Rautela from the movie Hate Story 4. So, if you want to know how I got this look, then please continue watching. I'm first starting off by filling in my eyebrows. For that, I'm using the Anastasia Dipbrow pomade in the shade dark brown. I'm using a very sharp angled brush to fill in my eyebrows. And I'm using very short little strokes to fill in the gaps that I find in my eyebrows. Once I have filled in my eyebrows, I'm gonna take a concealer and clean up underneath my brows to give a sharp and defined finish to my eyebrows. Also, Urvashi has very thin and long eyebrows, so I'm gonna try and make my eyebrows look as thin as her eyebrows. And after that, I'm gonna use the same concealer as an eyelid base, and also I'm cleaning up above the eyebrow as well. I'm gonna do the same thing on my other eye. Then I'm gonna set that concealer in place so that it doesn't crease. I'm just using a regular loose powder here. I'm taking this matte red shade from Miss Claire and I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. So I'm using a different blending brush this time and blending the color back and forth onto my crease. Then I'm going to take this MAC Burgundy Times eyeshadow palette and I'm going to take the shade Sketch, which is like a deep plum shade, and I'm going to take that on a pencil brush and apply it precisely on the crease area. Then I'm going to take the same concealer that I use for the eyebrow shaping and I'm going to cut the crease only on the center of my eyelid. Then I'm going to take this shimmery silver shade from Miss Claire again and I'm going to use a flat brush and I'm going to apply that towards the center of my eyelid. Then I switched over to a more precise brush and yeah, I'm just packing the eyeshadow on the center of my eyelid. I'm taking the Sketch eyeshadow again and I'm going to define the outer V and the inner V of my eyes. Then I'm taking this glitter from Wet n Wild. It's like a silvery multicolored glitter. So I'm just taking that on my ring finger and dabbing that to the center of my eyelid just to add some extra bling. To line my eyes, I'm using the NYX matte liquid eyeliner. And I'm not going to create any wing or something, just lining my eyes. To prime my face, I'm using the Benefit Porefessional primer. This primer fills in all the pores on my face and gives an even and smooth canvas to work on. Then I'm mixing two foundations from L'Oreal True Match. One is the original True Match and the other one is the super blendable foundation. So yeah, I've just custom mixed the shades to match my skin tone. So yeah, I'm just applying and dabbing the foundation using a puffing brush. Then for my under eyes, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer and I'm gonna create like a small triangle underneath my eyes. I'm concealing and highlighting at the same time. And to the center of my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow and chin. I'm using the same buffing brush to blend out the highlighted areas. To set my base, I'm using the Kryolan Derma Color Fixing Powder in the shade P4, and before setting my under eyes, I'm just taking off any crease that might have formed using a concealer brush, and then I'm gonna dab that loose powder using a powder brush underneath my eyes. I'm also baking on the center part of my forehead and also on my laugh lines. And while the powder is baking, I'm going to use this NYX lip plumper and apply that on my lips, and this gives a very nice juicy and plump shape to my lips. Then I'm going to take a black eyeshadow from Miss Claire and I'm going to apply that on the lower lash line. I'm going to use the same sketch eyeshadow to blend out the harshness of the black on my lower lash line. Then to line my lower waterline, I'm using this nude eye pencil from Kryolan. And once the eyes are done, I'm just dusting off the excess powder from my face. To contour my face, I'm using the LA Girl Pro HD Contour Duo, and I'm just taking that on a slightly bigger fan brush and applying that to the hollows of my cheeks. On my forehead and also on my jawline. I'm also baking my cheek area because Urvashi has quite a high cheekbone and this is going to accentuate my cheekbone even more. So yeah, that's why I'm baking underneath my cheeks. And to contour my nose, I'm using a smaller blending brush and applying the contour on either sides of my nose to make my nose look sharper and defined. For highlighter, I'm using this Tarte highlighter in the shade Exposed, which is a beautiful subtle shimmery shade. So I'm just popping that on the top of my cheekbones, on my eyebrow bone, on the bridge of my nose and on the tip of my nose, on my cupid's bow. For blusher, I'm taking this beautiful corally shade from the same palette and applying that to the apples of my cheeks. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Push Up Drama Mascara. So I'm just giving a nice coat to my top and bottom eyelashes. And I've applied these pair of falsies off camera, and these are very natural looking falsies because she doesn't seem to be having a quite dramatic pair of falsies. Yeah, so I just went in with the natural ones. And now I'm just lining my lips using the NYX retractable lip liner, and this is like a warm brown shade. So, and I'm also slightly overdrawing my lips because she has quite plumpy lips, and I'm taking this Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance and dabbing that on the center part of my lips. I'm just retouching the edges of my lips using the same NYX lip liner. Now I'm taking the lip plumper again. I'm just dabbing that to the center of my lip to make it look juicy and plumped. So that is the finished look. Yeah, this is my recreation of Urvashi Rautela's makeup look from the movie Hate Story 4. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give this video a huge thumbs up, comment and subscribe for more such videos, and I will see you all soon in my next video. And oh, please do not forget to follow me on my Instagram. Yeah, I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye.